a whole pot of them.
I can't believe we saw like 500 dolphins.
500. There's a couple of dozen maybe.
Honey, look what the tide did. It made these little, oh man, the schools are coming up. Look at him, if only we were at the pier, we could see them. Oh my gosh, there's them right there.
Yeah, they're all right out there.
Looks like whales or sharks.
No, see the blowhole? We just did one.
Oh, I saw it! I saw it in that blowhole!
Yep, there he did again, another one. Look, they're all doing them right there. Oh, there was his tail.
I saw it!
Birds?